Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 2 billion US dollars on YouTube. I'm just kidding. Today I'm going to show you how you can grow your YouTube channel with 0 subscribers and 0 views. Follow me. Hi, my name is Mark Angel. I am a YouTuber and I just opened this new channel where I teach people about YouTube. I teach the do's and don'ts of YouTube. I hope you learn from this, my series. Okay, let's continue the video. Before I start, I'm going to tell you something. YouTube is business. YouTube is business, and whatever we're saying here, take it that we're talking business. YouTube is going to treat you how you treat YouTube. If you treat YouTube like a hobby, YouTube is going to treat you like a hobby. If you treat YouTube like a business, YouTube is going to treat you like a business. Take that from me. A lot of people get frustrated in the first instance. When they open their Gmail and create a YouTube channel, they get frustrated. Yes, because no view, no subscriber for a long time. And they're like, oh yeah. No views, no subscribers. Shut up! No views, no subscribers for a long time, and that is very, very frustrating. I created a YouTube channel in 2013 and I got no subscribers for the first 3 months. 0 subscribers. But I was uploading videos every week. Uploading, no subscribers. 2 views, 3 views, 7 views. And I almost got frustrated until I stumbled upon a tutorial on YouTube that taught me exactly what to do, and that is what I'm going to teach you right now. I'm going to tell you 4 things that you need to do to your video in order to get views. Oh, I'm going to tell you, oh God, leave that child alone. I'm going to tell you 4 things that you need to do to your video in order to get views and get subscribers to your channel. Number 1, your titles. How do you title your video? It's very, very important. Titling is one of the most efficient marketing tools on YouTube video. Yes, you need to title your video very well, very efficiently. I'm going to give you hints on how to title your video. Look, a lot of people on YouTube are looking for how-to tutorials. A lot of people are looking for information. So, how do you title? Now, there are things like how to. A lot of people are searching how to. A lot of people are searching how I. So people want to know how to do a particular thing. People want to know how you did something. They want to learn from it. Some people go to YouTube to get entertained, others go to learn. So a lot of people from my research I know go on YouTube to learn. I learned almost everything I know right now on YouTube. 89% of the things I know right now, I learned them on YouTube. Yes. Hints on how to title. Use how to, how I. A lot of people like to get secrets. So you can say secret to, secret of. People like to search secrets. Another thing is the results of research. Things like the most dangerous place on earth, the most dangerous house on earth. People want to know what the result of a research is. People want to know the outcome of research. So things like the most dangerous, the most expensive mansion on earth, the most expensive car, the most exotic car, the greediest man on earth. Those things, people like to watch those things. So use those titles. Another thing you need to know is videos that have warnings. Warnings like, don't go to the mall until you watch this video. People are like, oh, okay, I want to go to the mall, but let me watch the video first. Yeah, those videos are going to get traffic. Titles like, don't eat until you watch this video. Don't go to the USA until you watch this video. People are going to want to watch the video. So, title, that's a secret number 1. You need to get a YouTube trailer. YouTube trailer. There's something called the YouTube trailer. When you open YouTube, sometimes you open YouTube and then you first of all you see a video that is just, my kid is crying. Mila, please shut up. God, that worked. Mila, please shut up. Mila, shut up. that is not working. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Secret number, what was I talking about? Okay, I said use warning titles. Yeah, and I said the number 2 tip on how to grow your channel is use trailers. Yeah, I talked about that. Use trailer. Yeah, YouTube trailer. YouTube trailers are those videos that you first see on the channel. Yeah, and those videos, when you post a video like that, a trailer is what you use to tell the people that are coming to your channel what your channel is about, who you are, what they will be getting, and how often you're going to be posting. Something like, hi, hey, my name is Mark Angel, I am a comedian, and I make funny videos, and I post them on Fridays. Number 3, connect with your fans. Just know that the people that are watching your video are not just numbers. They are not machines. They are human beings. They are human beings that feel the same thing you feel. They are human beings that also have aspirations. They are human beings that also want to teach. So communicate with the views you have. Every view is a person. Every view is a fan. So communicate with the people. Answer their comments. When they comment below, respond to them. Sometimes give them hearts. Give them love. Show them that you're watching them. Show them that you're listening to them. And remember that your videos are not just about what you want. It's about what people want. It's people that are searching how to eat, how to go to the mountain, how to fly a drone and all. They are the people that are watching it. So it is their video, not your video. So you're just making it to teach them. They are the people. So make videos that they want. From the comment section, they are going to tell you the things that they want. So that is where you're going to learn what to make your video about. Have a CTA. There's a CTA. Okay. What is a CTA? A CTA is a call to action. A lot of people just make videos and throw about. But listen, if you don't tell your viewers what to do, they won't do it. Things like subscribe to this channel, that's a CTA, that's a call to action. You're telling them what to do after watching your video, right? Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button. You're telling them what to do. Come back on Friday, come back on Tuesday, come back on Wednesday for another video. You're telling them what to do. Always remember to tell your fans what they should do. Always remember. Some people just overlook it and just put videos out there and expect, okay, the people that are watching this video are going to just subscribe. No, they're not going to just subscribe. They want you to tell them what to do. If you tell them don't come to my channel again, they won't come. I don't know, this is the first time I am trying to teach on YouTube, right? And maybe I'll start teaching like 2 times a week. I want you to drop a comment. Let me know if this has been helpful. If there are questions you want to ask about YouTube, drop those comments. I'm going to make tutorials based on your questions, right? If some people want to know how to monetize, some people want to know how to... A lot of stuff going on right now. I know if you're watching this, you're probably a content creator and you're stuck, you don't know what to do. But I'll tell you one thing, don't give up on YouTube, right? YouTube is a business and you need to treat it like a business. Every business starts from the grass. It starts from the roots, right? And see YouTube like see your YouTube business like a man climbing a mountain and pushing a big ball up the mountain, right? And after a lot of energy and time, and it's going to take a lot of energy, it's going to be very hard to push it up. But once you go up there, the whole ride, the extra ride, the remaining ride is going to be very easy. You understand what I'm saying? You push the ball, go to the top of the mountain, and then you just start rolling the ball. That is the reason why you see a lot of people, it takes about 3 years to get 1,000 subscribers, and after 1,000 subscribers, it takes like 2 months to get 10,000 subscribers. After 10,000 subscribers, it's going to take like 2 weeks to get 100,000 subscribers. After 100,000 subscribers, it will take like another 2 months and you get 1 million subscribers. So it's exponential. The growth of YouTube is exponential. Your first time, your first period is going to be very slow. Don't give up, right? Don't give up. That is the most important time of your YouTube career. Don't give up that time, because after that time, everything is going to now become easy. Call your friends, tell your friends about this channel, because I'm going to be teaching. Ask me any question, I'm going to make a video based on the question you ask me. See you. I don't know when this video, I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but any day I upload this video, just know that that is the day I'm going to upload it again. Maybe once a week, 2 times a week, but I'm going to say it in the description. Bye bye.